to my YouTube channel Quick Learn with Vijisha. Today in this video we will see class 7th maths lesson number 2, multiplication and division of integers. In this topic first we need to learn what are integers. The positive numbers, the negative numbers including 0. First we will see what are positive numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. are called positive numbers. The negative numbers are -1, -2, -3 and so on, including 0. So all these numbers are our integers. Before getting into this topic, we will learn about the signs. In this we have two types, that are same signs and the other one is different signs. Now what are same signs? If in the sum you have two plus signs, the answer will be plus. Two minus sign, the answer will be plus. See, two same signs, these are same signs, so answer is positive, that is plus, and two same sign, again these signs are same, so answer will be plus, positive. Same way for different signs. If the sum has 1 plus and 1 minus sign, the answer will be negative. Same way, if the sum has minus and plus, the other way, so answer will be also negative. So this concept is being used everywhere and this should be kept in mind. Now let's see for the example. Here so many examples are there to solve, the simple ones. I'll take you into the practice set 8. The first question is 5 into -7. So how we will solve this question? First we have to do the normal multiplication, that is 5 sevens are 35. Now for the answer, to put the sign, we need to see here. See, you see two same signs, this is minus and this is minus, they both are same sign, so answer will be positive, plus 35. If you write plus 35 or 35, answer is correct, but the most preferred one is this 35. We will see one more example. Question number 2, -9 into 6. -9 into 6. Now how you will do this question? Same way, normal multiplication. 9 6 is 54. This is normal. Now for the sign, here is one minus and this number doesn't have sign, means it is positive. So minus and plus, they both are different, so answer will be minus. Hope so you have understood the concept. For the division of integers, I'll be uploading another video. So do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you, students.